Hey guys, it's Trapper Tony here and welcome back to the channel. If you've been struggling with ants inside your home, today I'm going to show you how to make a safe homemade ant bait that works. It's very easy to make, very affordable, and very effective. Let's follow along. So why would you consider using a homemade ant bait versus a store-bought option? Well, the store-bought options simply rely on harsh chemicals. And this homemade ant bait I'm going to show you is very simple to make, very effective, very safe, and you more than likely have all the ingredients right at home. Now for this recipe, here's what you are going to need. For starters, you'll need 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of borax, and a half a cup of lukewarm water. Now in the measuring cup, we're gonna mix all the ingredients together. We'll start by mixing the sugar into the warm water until it fully dissolves. Next, we'll add the borax. Once it's mixed, you'll have a sweet borax-infused liquid ant bait at home. Now that we've made our liquid homemade ant bait, how are we going to use it and how are we going to apply it? Well, you can place it right on cardboard, right on aluminum, right on the floor or surface itself. But what I like to do is soak cotton balls or cotton pads with the product. The ants will be lured right in due to the sugary nature, the sweet mixture of our recipe, and take it back to their colony where the other ants can't resist. So we've made our homemade liquid ant bait. We've got it placed in the proper areas. Here's what to look for and expect over the next few days. You should start to see fewer and fewer ants. Be patient. The borax works slowly. The product we've made has to make its way from the location you placed it all the way back to the nest to kill off the colony. If you still see activity after 2 or 3 days, you can reapply the bait in those high traffic areas. So how does this homemade ant bait actually work? Well, if we break down the components, starting with sugar, which lures the ants in right to the source. Next, we have borax, which is a slow acting chemical. It doesn't kill them right away, so they feel that it's safe to bring back to the nest, which will wipe out the entire colony. Thanks again for watching how to make this simple, homemade, safe liquid ant bait. If this recipe worked for you at home, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.